Hey guys, I'm in the middle of the Everglades again here. Not in the Everglades, but near them. And this is like the most beautiful spot to just record these thunderstorms. And look at this beautiful thunderhead here. Look at how beautiful that is. And look, even though the sun's out, it's still raining. Oh God, I wish you guys could see how beautiful this looks in person. This is the most beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous, guys. Look at that beautiful. Look, no noise, no city noise. This is pure country and I like it. Wish I had a house out here though. The fuck is that noise? Oh. And you wouldn't believe it, but it's still raining. That is so weird, man. Oh, I love this spot. Man, you guys need to come over here. If you live in Florida, you gotta get away from Miami a little bit when these storms are nearby. It's so quiet. It sounds like I'm inside a building. The only noise I hear is the pitter-patter of light rain, which I find strange as hell that it's considered sunny. Man, guys, it is so humid here. And look how quiet it is, look. It's so beautifully quiet. This would be a perfect place to record severe weather. And I hope it comes soon. Look at that thunderstorm, man. You know, I actually think I can hear an airplane. I think I hear a bird, too. Girl, you know. Yeah, I do hear an airplane now. I don't know how it's still raining, but it is. Oh my God, that humidity. Let me look how much humidity there is. Oh. Yo, what the fuck is that guy doing, dude? He's fucking. Why is that guy? Yo, what the fuck? Is that guy? Yo, what the hell is this guy doing? Where the hell did you come from, man? What the hell is that guy doing? Damn, son. God, the humidity is... Let's see. Oh, boy. God, I wish you guys could feel this humidity. God. I thought I just heard thunder. I think I just heard thunder. Wow, this looks like a hurricane. In Naples, the storms are going to the southeast, and in Miami, the storms are going from south to north. Looks like there's also another storm forming in front of me. A little storm here. And it's still fucking raining. I don't know how that's possible. Fuck, it's humid though, man. Okay, let me see. Okay, the current humidity here is it's 80 degrees, 81 degrees. And the dew point is, oh my god, it's humid as shit. Wow, I've never felt anything like this before, actually. Yeah, this is definitely Florida. God, it's moist. You can feel the humidity. And for some reason, I can't click more conditions. Why the hell can't I click that? And it's still raining. And the sun's still out. Alright, the dew point is 70 degrees. Humidity is 77%. Damn. You could definitely feel that. Yeah, you could definitely fucking feel that, man. Is there any more things coming? Oh, yeah, there's a lot more coming, dude. This isn't the end of it. Ooh! Yeah, this is definitely not the end. I hear a cat meowing. As weird as that sounds. People in Florida be nosy as shit, too. Man, these people have no patience. Ah, ha, ha, ha. Smart. Very smart. Ah, that guy's smart. He doesn't want to be splashed upon. Ah, he's smart. Yo, these people know Florida very well. Oh, duh. They're fucking from Florida. What do you expect? Oh, guys, when I capture some lightning storms, I'll make sure not to be too close to them so I can see them from a distance. And I'll record them. But I'll make sure to do that, though. This is a 4K video, so I'm hoping this will enjoy. It's still raining? I apologize for the rain, guys. I didn't know it could rain this far from a storm. So weird. Oh, look at that. Look at radar scope. Radar scope says, it says that there is a storm. No, that one's not that bad. These ones that are coming up, though, look really nasty. I'll come back here if there's any more storms, guys. But until then, I guess that... Oh, my God, it's fucking humid, dude. Oh, my God, that humidity, though. Alright, thank you guys for watching. This has been the Planet Earth here.